Today we're going to be talking about our dispensing devices that we use here at Montana Apothecary. This is called a Topi-Click. This will typically be dispensed in a pink or a blue bottle, all depending on the medication that you are getting. When you receive your Topi-Click, you will have your prescription label, which does have the prescription as well as your directions. And usually in the directions, it will include how many clicks you are to use. And by clicks, I will show you what I mean. When you receive this bottle, it has a little cap on it. You will remove said cap. There is a small little porthole. When you do receive it and you are to use it, this bottom actually rotates like a deodorant stick. So you will rotate it until you hear one click. Each click does dispense 0.25 grams. So according to your label, just follow however many clicks the label says to do. Once you've had your medication dispensed out, you will place it onto whatever part of the body that you are supposed to be applying to. I'm using my wrist for an example. And then you just rub it in as if it was any other, normal lotion or gel until it is all gone. We typically do suggest to wash your hands after you've applied if you've used your hands to rub it in, all depending, what your medication is. There is also a little refill indication line on the back of the bottle, which does, signify to you once you've reached that point, call us and we will go ahead and refill it for you. The next device that we will be talking about is our Pearl Topi-Click. Same exact situation as the normal Topi-Click, except this one will always be dispensed in this exact bottle. You pop open your lid, it looks like a little clamshell. You have your little port, but this port has a little indentation on it. That indentation is usually used for internal applications. And for an internal application, typically intravaginally or sometimes rectally, we will give you this tube that you will place right on the top. One click, okay. You will remove your tube. There is a small plunger, just like a syringe, and you will apply this into whatever section of the body that you are supposed to be putting this in. And you just push this up, and then your medication is dispensed internally. So typically we do, like I said, we use this one for intravaginally or rectal prescriptions. The last device that we will be going over is our micro Topi-Click, which is exactly the same as a normal Topi-Click, except it dispenses a smaller amount. So these actually dispense only 0.05 grams, which is about half of what a Topi-Click will dispense. Typically, these are seen used in vet meds, just because of the application is a little bit easier for pets. It does come with a little rubber tip on the top. Same thing, you will twist from the bottom until you hear that click. Once you've heard that click, typically this one is used in the inner ear flap of your pet. So you lift their ear, rub it in, and then lay their ear down, throw your cap back on, and you are all finished. All of these devices do have a refill line on the opposite side. Does signify when you've reached that line to call us so that way we can refill your medication in a timely manner before you run out. Another way you can get your medication to you is in troche form. Troches are actually a lozenge in a way. So you'll get them in this little plastic sleeve with your label on here, and it'll tell you how many to take, whether you're taking a whole one, half one, quarter of a one. When you open up your troche pack, you will see that each one of these does have its own little square, and each square has 4 little squares in it. That determines if you are to be taking a whole troche, half, or a quarter. These actually just sit right onto your tongue. You let them dissolve, and then once it's dissolved, you just basically swallow as if it was just like a normal lozenge or like a cough drop.